think they ought to name the trailer Payday, because at the end of the day, it made so much more money. I have a comparable, like a square bottom sheet and post. It's about 1,500, 1,800 pounds lighter, so that's payload. On 6 to 10 loads a day, that's an extra ton. Take that times 10, that's 20 ton. That's, you're getting right up to about an extra load a day that you'll be able to haul. So, I mean, that's why I call it Payday instead of a hybrid. I'm about money and longevity. If it lasts and I get more money, it's a great.
We actually gained, compared to the frameless East square box, about 1,520 pounds of lighter. So you add that up after 4 loads a day, there's a 6,000 pound, 3 ton. If you do it every day, eventually you should be able to make your trailer payments.
The trailer's 3 feet longer than the one that I pull, and it's 1,000 pounds lighter. And that is a hell of a selling point.
I like the lightweight. I was at 28.5, 20. I got down to 28 one, but I was low on fuel. Yeah, it's a ton lighter than anything we got.
That's a rigid trailer. It goes up like a rock. You're sitting square and hard when you put it in the air. You can push the envelope with it a little bit and be off kilter one way or the other and feel confident still, especially with the round design. It just kind of runs her down to the bottom and throws her out the back.
It dumps like a half round, but it still has the stability of a sheet and post or a smooth side.
I pulled it about a week and a half, almost 2, myself. Handled good. I pushed it to the limit when I would go around corners, and I could always go in to the off ramps and stuff over to the suggested speed that was labeled by about 3 to 5 mile an hour over. And it didn't, you'd have to brake, but I was trying to test it to see what I could get away with.
It pulls good, it's stable, it don't flex. And in our business, I had it for about 3 weeks, and I put it through a lot of different tests, bad roads, good roads, and it does what they say it's going to do. And if the long term is good, when you get done with the trailer, you'll have something to sell instead of something that's cracked.
That's where you get a real test of how sturdy a trailer is and if there's flexing or anything, because the higher you go in the weight and everything starts messing with it. But, you guys, with the bottom rail for the straight sides and the top rail in it, you've got more than enough strength.
I had a lot of trouble with cracking half rounds. There's too much flexing in them, and I didn't feel that going down the road. I had drivers following me that said it wasn't flexing. I mean, we tested it pretty good because we was one of the first half round in the country or the county, and we had a lot of trouble with them. And I'm hoping that this will be another East product that we'll be proud of.
There's no swing to it, no top heavy. And the thing that got me, I've followed tubs, that style of trailer up the road before. When you follow them up the road, you'll see the front of the trailer twist, and the back won't, and then the back will twist and the front will straighten out. It's just flexing. This one don't do it, none whatsoever. It's not top heavy at all. It does not flex.
Well, the wind's going to hit it and it diverts it down underneath it, and you got a tunnel. Yep. And no vortex happening to grab and slow things. It shoots straight out between the axles.
I had to watch my speed. I had to keep my speed back a little bit because it was pulled real free like. I got 3/4 of a gallon better gas mileage than I do with the others.
You compare that trailer to what mine is. Mine pulled like a sled. That's a difference in it. I mean, I'm 2 to 3 mile an hour faster going up hills because I don't have the drag.
Flat-sided, and the way that's dynamically designed, you're looking at a damn truck or trailer payment.
I thought it was a real well-engineered, designed trailer that I pulled dump trailers for about 25 years. It was one of the easiest dumping, pulling trailers that I've been able to pull. I've tried them all.
As far as stability in that pulling it, I can't tell any difference between my trailer. Yeah, I mean, it pulls just as good, maybe if not even better.
I hauled 34 ton of beans to Bellevue, and I thought I had maybe 30 on, you know, or just handled it like it should have.
You're better off building a trailer that is more rigid, that doesn't move that much. I've got trailers in here that I bought from East that are over 20 years old, that held up, and that's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for something that I'm going to throw away in 5 years. I want something that lasts.